Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Kemen pat, tapi nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Halo ka Jingkynnoh Neigrhims. Ya ka bala keno, badan unar senrang, Jrongkti ya ka wei ka Khynnah, ka barang hapu akat prasnam karta. Uspatan of Police, upa Vivek EM, ulai tu, bagi Pulit kela Shim kes, kum ka special report kes. Pala register kes ru, hapu ki kendon jang ka pokso. Ulai tu, bagi Pulit kela pa notice je unas, upa sya keno, pan toket penyak, ya ka ni ka Jingkynnoh. Kat bayi ka Khynnah pan, on Shim ka Jing batai jongka, ni ka statement jongka, la syai ka sengi yang kashri. USP ulong, bagi Pulit kin pelong ka Jing toket ka bakhut, bat kin lomi ki sakhi sabut, bat hadin kata, kin sa Shim ka karai, balik ke batan kam, bat hapu on repo sengi, la ban cha chino.
Well, with the case, the molestation case which happened on a minor in Neigrhims, police has promptly taken up a case under POCSO. We've examined the accused, notice has been issued. The victim's statement will be recorded in court, if not mistaken, tomorrow. Other steps in the investigation like TIP and all will be done in the ensuing days. And once the investigation actually gathers all the facts and all that, we will come to a conclusion on submission of the final form.
Why not arrest?
The case is under 7 years, and so it mandates by law to give a notice under 33(3) of the BNSS. In fact, we'll be submitting a report to the head of department in Neigrhims also regarding this incident, and it is for them to take a call on what to do with the accused. But nonetheless, investigation, there'll be a fair and effective investigation, and that will come to conclusion after all the facts are gathered. And the case is treated as a special report case. Within the 60 days period, we will actually charge sheet the case, depending on the evidences gathered.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.